The gancho has some similar details to the bolero. That's why we put them together today. I will do it in this way, look. When you cross in front or you cross behind, you could also lift the leg, lift the leg. There is one way in which from the change of weight, the leg goes up. That's a gancho, because in this change of weight, the leader has his leg in between your legs. So you hook his leg. I will do it in this orientation so you can see it from the other side. It comes after a change of weight. Let's practice it with the other leg too. In this way, we practice both ideas, both sides. But we are going to use it in the side I was working before. Knees still together. One more time, the side that we are going to use. And then from there is a forward step, we will continue into the side step. Now, for the leader, in that element, you make your partner go over your phone. She starts to put her weight to complete her forward step, and you send her back. But you give her a space for the gancho. This foot now is in between her legs. You give her a space. See, you are making an arch here. You are telling her to go back, but also make her aware that your leg is there. This leg is in contact with her back leg and will be in contact with her front leg. That's the gancho. And the leg of the follower bounces, bounces, bounces. And then we continue into leading her into the side step. Miranda makes very beautiful ganchos.
I think one thing that is really good for practicing the gancho, so we're gonna make it with the right leg today, because that is I think is the right leg we step over. So I am stepping over, but then I'm gonna stand on the left leg and gancho with this one. So when I do this by myself, I like to just put my hand on the back of my leg, so I have a touch there, because you will feel the touch of the leader's leg. And it makes it much easier to use the leg properly if you have a touch towards the thigh.
Very good.